Marcos. Bongbong Marcos is really an imbecile. He's really abnormal comparison to Benjamin Netanyahu, Paulo Cruzada. Bongbong Marcos and MC Muakalikuan, they are abnormal. What are you gonna say to the OFW who wants to go to abroad, like Franco Cagayat? He wants to go to what place? Japan. The Cebu Pacific, there's no gas. How would you put the jet fuel if there's Cebu Pacific? Even Philippine Airlines, if there's a jet fuel because of the oil crisis during the time of the Middle East conflict about Iran and Israel. Folks, let's withdraw the support of Bangag. We are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Especially, who got scammed by Bongbong Marcos? Teacher May Tiburcio, Jens Manaid, because I know Jens did not listen to his siblings, even his family members, even his sisters. I know Jens is a former Marcos loyalist. He realized he got scammed. Nabudol na nga si Jens. Me, I was being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Nabudol ako ni BBM. That's the word. Even who got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. Ate Nenet. Teacher May Tiburcio. Even everyone, all the Filipinos, even OFWs. Nabudol na tayo ni Bongbong Marcos. We are being scammed to this weak leader. Remember, even the Israelis, they got scammed by Benjamin Netanyahu. Just like I said, nabudol na sila. Folks, I am no longer to be Marcos loyalist. I never want to be Marcos loyalist. For example, you remember Luis Cabales said to me, wag mo kasi iboto si Bongbong Marcos. He said to me, magnanakaw yan. At least I didn't listen. Teacher May did not listen to her nephew, Rafael. Teacher May's nephew, Rafael says, Tita May, Tiburcio, why you even vote Bongbong Marcos? Don't even know that he is really a robbery of the Filipino people when I was there in Ateneo? He's really a robbery. Actually, I'm just gonna say, he's truly a robbery. As for Filipinos anyway, we are being scammed by Bongbong Marcos. And now, Teacher May Tiburcio got victim by a scammer. The scammer anyway is Bongbong Marcos. I told ya, he's really weak leader. He doesn't know how to be a president of the Philippines. I'm telling ya, I said to Mami Ellen Olea, the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the government. Like his son, Bongbong Marcos, is really weak. He's a weak leader. Even the exchange, even the jet fuel. And you say about, you cannot fly the plane. If for example, if we are planning to trip in Japan, how long to get a fuel if there's a plane of Cebu Pacific? How about in Philippine Airlines? If they want to go to South Korea, what about the fuel? You know what, Bongbong Marcos and MC Muakalikwan? Both of you are abnormal. Both of you are bangag. Stock change. Look at what happened to our country in the Philippines. Stock change. What about Matthew Timbal and Ate Meles Torque? If Matthew Timbal wants to go Hong Kong Disneyland, oh, if there's a flight of Cebu Pacific, what about the fuel? Tell me, Mr. Fake President, Bongbong Marcos, Claire Castro, what about the fuel? Like I said before, paano na kami papupunta sa Japan if we're going to Japan in April 12 until 19? What about the flight? What about the fuel of Cebu Pacific? That government are really weak. Weak government, weak efficiency government. I'm urging to all Filipinos, impeach against Bongbong Marcos as they as did that Israelis, they impeach Benjamin Netanyahu. Oh, as did of South Koreans, they impeach against Yoon Suk Yeol. As we are Filipinos, I'm telling to all Filipinos, impeach that bangag. He's a useless president of the Philippines. However, you know we are being scammed by bangag. I'm just saying to all of you because we need the fuel for the plane, for airline ticket.